Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Checking in on natural gas and now looking at NGG 2017, which has shifted from NGZ 2017. So what we're looking at here is a very bullish break yesterday, and we consolidated as we were overbought on a lot of time frames. And we had a bearish reaction to the inventory report. Now, all in all, the bulls are still absolutely in control. And the low of this consolidation, we bounced off of 3754. So I drew a support line there, and then I looked back and said, wonder why we're forming support at this area. Nothing really stands out, and just zoomed out a little bit. And it makes all the sense in the world. Previous resistance back here on December 9th is now acting as support. So that's the power of being able to scroll back in time and put these lines on these charts to see where the price action comes into play. And it's very clearly the previous resistance is now acting as support. So as long as bulls hold this level, they maintain higher lows. If we see a break of 3754, we're looking down at the low of previous consolidation, 367. So the bulls ideally obviously want to hold this level and head back up towards the resistances that we've seen here, 3868, and then the high of this move, 3902. See if this uptrend support line remains intact. And we did break it if it was going to be a really tight support line. So I'm not going to draw that. We'll just look at these horizontal supports for now. And we could draw a downtrend resistance line, but we've got this 10-period hourly moving average doing a good job of showing us resistance. So checking it all out on the daily time frame, bearish reversal candlestick forming after the high has been hit, so bulls don't really have any concern. We've had a couple bearish reversal candlesticks form on this big move to the upside with no follow through. So again, even if we pull all the way back down, really no concern for the long-term bulls here as we got that higher high. And once we get that higher high, it's really a sigh of relief because all significant consolidation can take place now, and we still have a higher high and higher low pattern. So we could pull back to 350 again and still be maintaining this uptrend line. And on a consolidation period, as long as we form a higher low compared to 329, the bulls are looking great. On the weekly time frame, with just one trading day left to go, we are forming a bearish reversal spinning top, a little bit of indecision here on the weekly. And if the bulls show up again tomorrow and we can see a close of about 385 or better, this would no longer be a bearish reversal spinning top candlestick. Even if it was, if we close the week right here, we would have to see a red week next week to confirm it. But again, the long-term bulls have nothing to worry about with what we are currently seeing on this trend. And that's all because of that yesterday move hitting higher highs, making that move up to 390. So we'll keep checking in. I appreciate you watching. Hope you have a great night, and we'll see you soon.